CS50 final project. It is called FlickFInder. My name is Andy White. My GitHub username is AndrewWhite316. My edX username is AndyWhite9316. I'm from Peterhead in the United Kingdom. This is recorded on January 26th, 2025. So what we're viewing here is the homepage of my site, FlickFInder. It uses a database currently just to mock out a few things for me there. But this is the one-stop shop for all cinema listings, movie reviews, and recommendations for there. In future, I would use API calls to trigger it to get more up-to-date and accurate information. At the top here, we have a banner that swings through the different genres currently. These are AI generated imagery. I would replace these with banners of films as and when they came out, newest films, latest, greatest films to do. We have a recommendations page here. It's got the different genres there. We need to add more genres, but this is just a holding site for the time being. We have a sign up and a sign in functionality. So when we sign up, just quickly make up a name. And an email. And I'll quickly make up a password. And there we go. To sign in, we just simply sign in. We'll use one that I set up for testing. It's nice and simple, easy to log in there. As you can see at the top, we have no longer got the sign in and sign up options. We have sign out and profile. When we go into profile, the user can update their location if they wanted to, set a new password, change their username. In the search functionality, we can put in all, or example, action returns. So we've got the Avengers here, and it's on at 3 p.m. at the Movie Palace. Obviously, this is just a mock Dynamite. This is a mock SQLite database that's currently using it. We can also search